how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on your Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on your Windows, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your control panel, search for control panel. Once you search for the control panel, you will have the internet options right here. So search for the internet options and you'll get this kind of interface. Go with connections and then go with the LAN settings. And under your LAN settings, now if you have any of the options checked right here, then you just need to simply go with uncheck option under your proxy. So you just need to simply uncheck it. Once you uncheck, then you can just go with OK and click on apply and OK, and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply open up your network and sharing center. You can either search for network and sharing center, click on view network connections, and click on the Wi-Fi option that you're using right now or the internet connection that you're using. Double click on it, and then you just need to simply make sure that it is enabled, or right click on it, go with properties. Under properties, here you will have internet protocol version 4. Just click on it and then go with properties again. And if you've selected the DNS server address, like if you've not selected the default one, and if you've selected the manual, then you just need to simply go with the first option, which is obtain DNS server address automatically, and then go with OK and close, and this might fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply remove that and then search for settings under your system. Now you need to open up your settings and then you need to go with system right here. Scroll down and then go with the troubleshoot option. Go with other troubleshooters. Now if you have the network and internet section right here, you just need to simply go with run and run the troubleshooter for network. Once you run the troubleshooter, then your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then go with search and you need to search for network reset. Once you search for it, now you need to click on network reset and then scroll down, and here you will have your network reset under your advanced network settings. Click on it and then reset your network. Once you reset your network, then you just need to simply go with your Wi-Fi and connect to your Wi-Fi and your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last thing you can do is just open up your command prompt, search for cmd and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes, and now you need to enter a command which is netsh space winsock space reset and then hit the enter. Once you hit the enter, then it might take a few minutes. Just wait for it and your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't, then let's go with the next command, which is netsh space int space ip space reset resetlog.txt and then hit the enter. And it might also take a few seconds or a few minutes. And after that, you need to enter the next command, which is ipconfig space / flushdns and hit the enter. Once you've done with it, now again go with the next command, which is ipconfig space / release. And once you're done with release, now you need to again enter a command, which is renew, ipconfig space / renew. And now enter the last command, which is netsh int space ipv4 space reset log.txt and then hit the enter. Once you're done with all of these, you just need to simply go and restart your computer or your PC. Once you've done with restart, then your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on your Windows. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.